Hey guys, Alex here with Lano Equipment. Today we're going to be delving into our excavator world and we're going to be looking at one of our 6-ton options. Today we're going to take a look at the Bobcat E60. In general, Bobcat is going to be trying to balance between performance and comfort when it comes to their excavators. Right here we've got a 2023 E60 and it's going to have the deluxe cab package on it, and it's also going to have the long arm on the stick here. I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences they've made between the 2023 and the 2024, but in general this machine is going to include a deluxe instrument panel, keyless start, heated high back seat, again as I mentioned the long arm, and it's going to be equipped with your travel motion alarm system for safety and have your HVAC cab. And it's going to have a unique feature that Bobcat has added called their depth check system so that you can see how deep you are when you've got your stick down in your trench. When we look at the new additions that they made to the 2024 model, we're going to see an upgraded screen all the way up to a 7-inch touch display that's going to have integrated Bluetooth. Let's talk about some of the machine specs. It's going to be a 12,300 pound operating capacity. With the long stick, it's going to have 6,400 pounds of lift. Bobcat put a 55 horsepower turbocharged Bobcat engine in this machine, which is going to give you about 10,000 pounds of digging force. It's going to have a maximum dig depth of 13 feet, maximum reach of about 20 feet, and the auxiliary hydraulic system is going to be pumping out 20 gallons per minute at the end of the stick. Currently, this machine right now is running a diverter on the hydraulics to switch between thumb operations and an attachment, but Bobcat is going to offer a second auxiliary kit that's available for this machine specifically, making install easy and smooth. This machine's coming in at 77 inches wide, which means you can still fit it on your drop deck trailer between the fenders, and it'll allow you to wait until you're ready for it to bump up to that deck oversized trailer. Here we are in the cab of the E60. As you can see, we've got good visibility out the front window. We can fold that up if we need to be talking to our crews outside the machine. On the 2023 model, they have the standard deluxe instrument panel that Bobcat has had for a while. Again, the difference here between this and the 2024, on the 2024 model, they bump up to a 7-inch touch display, and it's going to have some additional options and features available in there, including Bobcat's depth check system. This machine, like the 2024, is still going to have a keyless start, and here on the 2023 model we have our standard radio built into the machine as opposed to integrated into that touchscreen. Above the radio you can see the travel motion alarm switch. If you're driving for a while and you don't want the alarm going off to warn people around you, you can just flip that button, it'll turn off the alarm and you can drive. Here we're going to have the heated cloth suspension seat, good for in the winter, you got to keep yourself a little warmer. Here's the diverter for the thumb or using your single auxiliary hydraulics. Again, Bobcat makes a second auxiliary kit that will run on the other side of the stick if you are running a rotating grapple or another attachment that will require dual auxiliary function. This machine is going to be good if you're doing larger boulder wall applications and builds. If you have to dig on the side of the machine a lot, it's got good performance there. And really in general, for your tougher digs where you need to prioritize power over everything else, the E60 is going to be the right machine. If you want to learn more about the E60 or any of the other Bobcat excavator lines, come on down to Anoka or one of our other stores. We'll get you in the seat and get you testing it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and we'll see you down here.